Good morning, students. Today our topic is about minutes of meeting. The first thing is what is the definition of it? The role of minute taker is to produce a document for several other people to read, which summarizes the meeting and action to be taken. So, in this thing, other people should follow the instructions, for example, date of meeting, time of meeting, place of meeting. The purpose of meeting to provide an accurate record of the business discussed at a meeting, including decisions made and who is going to implement them. A good record for those unable to attend the meeting. It is for those people who are unable to attend that meeting so they can read the minutes of meeting and they can understand the idea which is discussed in meeting are objective and neutral. So it is for all people. Why we have minutes or before the meeting? What are the things which can be described? Pre-meeting for note taking, pre-meeting preparation for note taker. What should do notes taker before the meeting? Read previous minutes to what the agenda has discussed in previous meeting. What are the minutes of meeting, a previous meeting? Build a glossary of common terms. Prepare a clear agenda. Book room and send out appointments with completed agenda plus previous meeting minutes. Guest speakers for all the meeting. Okay, who is the guest speaker? Who are the guest speaker for all the meeting? Book refreshment for the people who will attend the meeting. Make an attendance sheet. Create a template. Agenda items plus space for notes. Action point register. It is the register in which some action which will be done in future can write. The meeting. On that day, what should we do? Set out room so everyone can hear, see, comfortable. Prepare refreshment, water, prepare pen, a page, provide a space, provide a spare copy of the agenda. Previous minutes for those who come unprepared. Ensure equipment is working. For example, if you are using laptop, projector, audio recording devices or anything, so you should check it before that meeting. Bring your notes as well. After the meeting, what should we do? After the meeting, writing up. Delay in minutes, delay in action. So you have to write after the meeting. Mark as dropped until agreed. Begin with the explanation of the purpose of the meeting. Add name of minutes. Decide what to include, take out. Introduce each new minute with an explanation. Then the next is proofreading. After writing the minutes of meeting, it is the next step and important step that you should proofreading. If any mistake or anything, so you can edit it. Then the next is note taking. The key skill that a minute taker needs is the ability to record the message, not the words. Because when you are writing minutes of meeting, so you are writing in words. Minutes are not a record of what. It is an important thing while writing the minutes of meeting. Don't try to write your minutes as you listen. Just make notes when you are listening. The minutes you will type later. Trying to write minutes, you will miss something if you can write it. So, when you are listening, it means that you are making some notes of it. And after the meeting, so you can write in a minutes of meeting, in a simple thing, the agenda, which is discussed in the meeting, and the future plan, and the list of those people who are not present. So it is about minutes of meeting. Listen actively and understand what is being said. Ask yourself the purpose of the statement. Ask yourself the purpose of your summary. Find the main idea. It is related to the main information. Delete the unimportant information. It means that write the relevant information. If you have irrelevant information, so you can delete it. Simplify the statement. If then the next is use verbs, noun and adjective. A statement must include a verb and a noun. So a verb, Ali is a boy, and if we find the example of noun in the sentence, Ali is a boy, so Ali is noun. So he is weeping. Weeping is verb. So he is a good boy. So good is adjective. So use verbs, noun and adjective in your minutes of meeting. Common grammar errors you should check it. Spelling errors, sentence structure error, common error you can check it. Next is use active voice and passive voice. For example, the active voice is the cat eats the mouse, and the passive voice is the mouse is eaten by the cat. So you can use sentences like active and passive voice sentences. So it is an important thing. What skill does a great note taker need? Listening skills, proofreading skills, able to quote people accurately, good relationship with chair, because you have to sit while in meeting and you have to write it. So you have a good relationship with people and chair as well. So know what to record. Good vocabulary, word processing skill, summarizing skill, recap all the things which are discussed in the meeting. So thank you. If you have any questions, so you can ask in your WhatsApp group or any other source you can. Allah Hafiz, take care.